Footbox G for you. Yo guys, it's Footbox G here, and I'm back with a new tutorial for you. This time I will teach you how to do the snare. It's a cool sound, it's a very easy sound to learn, and you will be able to do a lot of things with it, just like other beatbox sounds. So, how to do the snare? First of all, this is how the snare sounds like. So this is how the snare sounds like. So, and what you do to achieve this sound, first step, you need to know how to do the kick drum, the basic kick drum. I also explained you in previous tutorial. The kick drum is like this. If you don't know how to do the kick, go back on one of my previous videos and you will be able to do it in less than 1 hour. So, and after that you have this sound, then you try to put more pressure on your kick drum like this. Instead of a low one, you will try to get a high kick. Like more saying a P instead of a B. That's it. And after that you achieve to do the P, you'll try to add a compressed F like this. It's saying the F very shortly. Try to do it. Okay, after that you master the compressed F, you'll do it at the same time as the P. So you'll have this. So you put the compressed F and you put the P at the same time, at the same place. And that's how you do it. That's actually the sound you need to achieve. And after that you try to add more detail, like doing it way shorter or maybe way longer to add some reverb, for example. With reverb sounds like, and very shortly it will sound like. So actually that's how you do it. Maybe it can cost a little bit of time to practice it, but it's a very useful sound and very nice to do it. So guys, I hope you like this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon with a new tutorial.